thinking on stuff we should do. So, what should we do? Your choice. Well, we don't want to make this vlog boring, so let's go do something fun. Have you got any fireworks left?
A couple.
You want to do those?
I got some firecrackers and stuff.
You should do firecrackers. You want to do it?
Sure.
Okay. Well, if you want to see firecrackers, then you got it. Because Aaron is going to go grab some firecrackers. Well, I just sit right here. So, we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back with the third clip of our vlog. I think it's the third. So, we're going to set off some fireworks and, well, not fireworks, firecrackers and sparklers. So, let's see what we got in there. Sparklers. Oh, smoke bomb.
A couple of smoke bombs.
How about we set off a smoke bomb?
More sparklers.
Okay. Want to hold the camera?
No, wait.
We'll set off.
I'm not doing those right now.
Want to set off a purple smoke bomb?
We're doing something.
Use a lighter. Okay. What are we setting off yet? Right now. Firecracker? Okay. We are setting off a firecracker. So
This is a fun way to set off a firecracker.
I hope this works out.
Wait. First.
Here we go.
Wait. First.
Oh, you're
I'm
gonna.
gonna do the fun way. I'm just gonna throw it into the water and see what it does.
Okay, let's see. Laying it. Oh, that was cool.
That's what that did.
I've never seen a firework light off in the water. Actually, yes, I have.
I didn't even know those were waterproof. I was just testing them.
Okay.
So,
So that was one firecracker. That was a cool noise.
grab some other crap. Oh, firecrackers. Snack on.
Okay. Should I grab some more firecrackers for you? No? Okay. So he's going to set off another firecracker. Then we'll go to sparklers probably. If you want to see sparklers, then we'll do sparklers.
So what's going to happen is the sound is going to be really, really muffled.
So what are you going to do?
Okay. Find a nice flat spot.
Okay.
Okay, so light it.
Oh, what's he doing? Look at this. That was cool. So, he's got one more, I think. Do you have any more firecrackers on you? Okay.
Just throw it in.
Are you going to do with the actual cannon? You should do the actual cannon.
What actual cannon?
Isn't that like a cannon that you can
I
hold?
don't have any of them.
Oh, okay.
And you don't
I
hold
wouldn't-
this.
What?
You don't hold this.
Okay, well, let's light off a smoke bomb, because that...
Wait.
You know what would be cool? If we lit off a smoke bomb and threw a firecracker in the smoke bomb. Man, I don't want to get my iPod destroyed in all this. So I'm going to move away from it. That was cool. Okay, well, over here. Let's go over here. I'm going to go grab some stuff, so we'll be right back. Okay, well, we're back, and I don't know what... Okay, what's this doing? Oh, blue smoke. Okay, let's get close in there.
Oh, look at the water. It's boiling.
The water is boiling. No, smoke. Oh, the water's turning pink. So, let's light a sparkler.
What?
Blueberries, and I've got bananas,
Okay, let's just...
and yogurt, and milk.
Okay.
That'll do it.
Yeah. Let me see that. Girl, light
If
up.
I make that cheese pizza, you want some of that with Ike?
No.
Okay, well, I'll have a sparkler. Got a sparkler.
Ike, you want the cheese pizza?
I'll have a BLT, please. Okay, well,
Hold it. Let's light it. Be still. It's gonna be harder. You're just like sticking it inside of the lighter.
here we go. I wonder what would happen if I threw it in the water. Oh, it'd go out.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. I thought I... Okay. Let's do this, ready?
Okay. Let's see what happens.
Oh, it's running out.
Okay.
It is officially out, I think. So. Is that not working? Or is it? Okay. Well, the fireworks are cool. So, I'm gonna just light another firework or sparkler. If you can get them lit.
I don't know.
Just try it again. Try one more time. Let's try this, okay?
It's hard for me to do this because I don't feel good.
Here we go. Get out of the firecracker. Oh. Here we go. Watch out. Smoke bomb. Let's get in that blue, that purple smoke. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that was some fireworks. You got any firecrackers left, Aaron, for a couple more in the water? Let's try a couple more. Because I think we need to at least do a little bit more. So,
Let's just do like a couple more.
okay. We will light them in a minute.